Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your kind words, sir. Now we move on to the next speaker. The next speaker is Gaurav Leeladhar Rosatkar. We have unmuted you. You may switch on the video if you wish, and please ask your question, sir. It seems that Mr. Gaurav Leeladhar Rosatkar is unable to join us. We are moving to the next speaker. The next speaker is Mukesh Chandiramani. Sir, we have unmuted you, and you may switch on the video if you wish, and you may ask the questions, please. Then it seems that Mr. Mukesh Chandiramani has not joined. We are moving to the next speaker, sir. The next speaker is Hariram Chaudhary. Sir, we have unmuted you. You may switch on your video if you wish and ask your questions, please.
Now it is unmuted also. So, Chairman sir and Company Secretary Sri Satish Kumar ji and my dear other directors. Now I am speaking, my name is Hari Ram Chaudhary. I am speaking from my home at Santa Cruz. Now, Mr. Chairman, generally in all the meetings I speak about CSR, but here you will not have, it may not be applicable to you, but even then, for COVID and other COVID affected people at least, we must have done something. Kindly enlighten us how much amount we have spent and what help we have given to the COVID affected people. So kindly let us know about that. And Mr. Chairman, now I thank Mr. Subham of Secretary of Staff under the guidance of Sri Satish Kumar, who has helped us in joining this meeting. And I have some suggestions that have the mobile phone in the Secretary Department so that the speaker shareholders particularly may contact the company secretary or the Secretary of Staff. And if they are not able to contact them, at least they can send a message, which is not possible in case of landline. So let us be the first company to do that. And another suggestion is give the booster dose to all your staff members and employees. And have a Diwali get together. I fully support my earlier speaker's request. Have a Diwali get together of the speaker's shareholder particularly, and those who are present today will be very few. Then I kindly let us know how many shareholders are attending the meeting today, and please send me the minutes of the meeting. I will pay the necessary charges. Please let us know what are the advanced technologies we adopted, including artificial intelligence. Our Prime Minister has been emphasizing on digital India, and kindly therefore let us know what we have done, and whether the ease of doing business, which Prime Minister is emphasizing, whether this has helped us. And kindly let us know whether we are using solar power on our building. I know that for Bombay building, I am staying in Santa Cruz only, and I can pass through your building very often. And therefore, by your courtesy call only, Mr. Satish Kumar, I will meet you. And whether we are using water harvesting also, kindly let us know. And how many shareholders are meeting today, kindly let us know. And with that, I support all the resolutions. I convey my best wishes for all round progress and prosperity of the company. Thank you, Chairman sir and Satish ji. My name is Hari Ram Chaudhary. Thank you.
Thank you.
I concluded.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for the kind words. We are moving to the next speaker now. Next speaker is Kankanala Bharatraj. Sir, we have unmuted you, and you may switch on the video if you wish, and please ask the questions. Sir, you may please ask the question, sir. We have unmuted you. It seems that Mr. Kankanala Bharadraj is not joined. We move on to the next speaker. Next speaker is Santosh Kumar Saraf. Sir, we have unmuted you. You may switch on the video if you wish and ask your questions. Thank you.
हाँ जी नमस्कार।
Yes, sir, we can hear you. You can ask your question, please.
भाई बहनों, मेरा नाम संतोष कुमार श्रॉफ, मैं कलसा का रहने वाला आज बंगलोर से आप सभी को नमस्कार करता हूं और हमारी 85 साल की पे आप जितने भी डायरेक्टर हैं इन सबको भी धन्यवाद देता हूं सर। हमारी कंपनी काफी अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रही है और काफी अच्छा लग रहा है सर। मैं ये कहूंगा सर कि जितने भी हमारे जो हैं डायरेक्टर हैं वो अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, इसलिए मैं ज्यादा कुछ नहीं कहूंगा। मैंने प्रश्न लिख के भेज जैसे शायद वो आपको मिल गया होंगे, अतः उन प्रश्नों का जवाब दे दीजिएगा और कुछ नहीं चाहिए। और एक बार फिर आप जितने भी डायरेक्टर, जितने भी अधिकारी, जितने भी हमारे शेयर होल्डर भाई बहन हैं, इनकी लंबी उम्र की कामना करता हूँ और भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूँ भगवान आपको और आपके परिवार का 2022-23 में हेल्दी वेल्दी और सेफ्टी के साथ व्यतीत हो। और हमारी कंपनी सेक्रेटरी साइंस कुमार जी को भी धन्यवाद देता हूँ जिनके कठिन परिश्रम के कारण और जिनकी टीम के कारण आज मैं ज्वाइन कर सका। जय हिंद, जय भारत, नमस्कार जी। प्रश्न मैंने भेज दिया, उनका जरूर उत्तर दीजिएगा और ये बीसी मीटिंग कंटिन्यूस रखिएगा। अगले साल फिजिकल मीटिंग करते हैं तो बीसी मीटिंग रखिए। देखिए मैं कलकत्ता का रहना हूँ, आज बंगलोर से अटेंड कर रहा हूँ, तो ये क्या आप दोनों कंबाइन करके जरूर मीटिंग करिएगा सतीश कुमार जी, बहुत अच्छा रहेगा। अदरवाइज हम वंचित रहेंगे और एक शहर वाली आपसे अपनी बातें कर सकेंगे। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. We move on to the next speaker. The next speaker is Manjit Singh. Sir, we have unmuted you. You may switch on the video and ask your questions, please. Seems that Mr. Manjit Kumar has not joined. We move on to the next speaker. The next speaker is Arati Saraf. Sir, we have unmuted you. Please switch on the video if you wish and ask your questions. So we have unmuted you and please ask the questions. Bharati Saraf has not joined, and we move on to the next speaker, who is the last speaker. The speaker is Ghanashyam Singh. Sir, we have unmuted you. You may switch on the video if you wish and ask your questions. Thank you. So we have Sir, are you able to hear us? Sir, you may ask your question, please. It seems that there is a connection issue, and Ghanshyam Singh was the last speaker for the day. So we have finished the questions of all speakers. Over to you, Chairman. Thank you.
Thank you all the members for sharing your views. Just a few questions that were asked today on the screen. Yes, it is indeed a fact that we have the management worked very hard in the last 2 years, the COVID afflicted years, and tried to set a house in order and set and move forward with very strong fundamentals so that the next 5, 10, 15 years are good for the corporation and we can take your company forward in the right direction, which is towards making an underwriting profit and making it a force to reckon with, helping the Indian economy grow along with providing all the insurance and reinsurance requirements that it may have. Yes, we have thought about the physical meeting as well, but we deemed it fit that this time the AGM it is best have held virtually because the scare of COVID is still not completely over, and we wanted to have this over VC as well. On the CSR fund that you spoke about, query was raised. The total CSR obligation for the financial year 2021-22 was about rupees 29.12 crores, and the same has been audited, and the detailed report is available in the annual report of 21-22 on pages number 31 to 36. You also spoke about solar power and water harvesting. No, not currently because our building is an old one. It's about 30 years old almost. But we do intend to go in for a building renovation in the next 2 to 3 years. And then we will have a state-of-the-art building which will have the facilities of water harvesting and solar panels to make it an intelligent building. That is what we are envisaging going forward. Apart from that, there are a few other questions that have been raised to us by way of emails. We will be, of course, answering them all and getting back to you with our own comments on that. But by and large, these are the queries that were raised. And in case any of the registered speakers could not join or speak due to technical reasons, or queries raised by them during the meeting have remained unanswered, we would request you to please send your queries in writing to the company. On receipt of such email request, we shall respond quickly and suitably. Thank you once again, all of you, for participating in this meeting. I authorize Mr. Satish Kumar, Company Secretary, to conduct and complete the e-voting process, which will be open for the next 15 minutes post conclusion of this meeting. Further, I authorize the Company Secretary to receive the scrutinizer's report and countersign the same and declare the results of the resolutions and the NSDL's e-voting website within the stipulated timeline. With this, I now declare the meeting as concluded. Thank you very much.
Thank you.